Be playing Call of Duty Black Ops just real quickly to show you what it can do. Notice in the bottom right, I don't know if you can see it, but it's saying 60 to 61 frames per second in the right green. I'm sorry, in the right bottom corner in green. I don't know if you can quite make that out, but it's getting, pretty decent frames per second. I'm not really doing anything yet, but let me show you what it looks like. It's very fluid, very playable. Upgrading the CPU had a big difference to the Xeon. It's a quad-core CPU versus the Celeron that was in it before. Now I've let it configure the settings for me, so I'm not even sure what the settings are. But it's very playable, as you can see. So it's very fluid, moves very, very well. This was my favorite game back in the day when I was a big gamer. So let me go get the shotgun.
Please, I have no job.
Oh, I have no money. Sorry. Anyway, you get the idea. Now, where the dual core or the quad core comes in as a big thing is when you have more and more zombies that it has to track. It does very, very well when there's a lot of activity on the screen.
But not that rough.
You almost killed me there. Okay, you get the idea.